My village is an incredible gift out of this whole process that I could never even have imagined, because when you find out that your kid has autism, it is a solitary experience. Like, you can't even believe how people just like scram, and all of a sudden you're left standing, I want to say standing holding the bag, but it's not really, Max is not really a bag. But the support sort of disappears, and then you get sucked up by this whole community of people that their whole entire life is about autism. And so through this book project, like, I feel like I've had an awakening process where I'm back into the real world, because I can have Max with me and he's not throwing tantrums and he's not causing problems, and we can just have more of a regular life. And so this is where the rubber meets the road for all the work that we've done, is now we get to be friends with incredible people and meet incredible charities that are autism related and non-autism related, and all of the people that have stepped up to become part of our village, the charities, the Janie and Sue and Ivan and Kim and everybody are just doing it just because they want to, because they believe in this project, because they see what I've been doing with Max, because it's making a difference, because they know it can make a difference for other people. And it just, being part of a community of people like that is just, it's undescribable in terms of how good it feels.